Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's do a simple editing tutorial using Capcut. On here I want my background to be black or grayish type of background, so I was playing around with the contrast to have my desired background. Click on overlay to add an image. Go ahead and add the images that you want to be in your video. On here I was trying to adjust the length of the background. Continue adding your overlay images. Go ahead and adjust the length of the images. To remove the background of the image, go to overlay, click on cutout and automate it, and it will cut out the excess background. Reposition your third image under the second image to give it an effect. You'll see how I do it. Just keep watching the video. Resize your third image by reducing its scale into a desired size that you want. So on here I tried recording an audio for like an introduction of a documentary or a storytelling type of a video. So I created an audio for it and played it to know where to cut out when animating the video. Go ahead and animate your images to your liking. I went ahead and clicked on the keyframe so that I can give my image a bouncy effect on the screen when it pops out. Position it however you want. Play the video to see if it comes out the way you want it, or according to your liking, or that effect that you want to pop out from your video. Go to your third image to start editing it, and in this case I wanted the third image to pop out beneath the second image, so I was trying to position it in a way that it brings out that effect. Continue playing the video to see if you have your desired effect on your video. So here I added some keyframes to both images and positioned them to see if I'll have the desired outcome that I wanted. I wanted the third image to pop underneath the second image, so I was trying to position it according to the keyframes to give it that pop effect that I wanted. Here I added a keyframe so that my image could disappear towards the left side, and added an animated disappearing effect on it so that it can disappear as it goes to become smaller. The third image pops out into a bigger image. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you liked this video and subscribe to it. Thank you.